Hey everyone, I know I have not given you guys any kind of garden update or, well, anything about the garden in a while. So that's what we got to do today. But I also have to do a few harvesting things. You're going to see that today. It's the day we're going to pull all of the onions. I'm so excited. So you're going to see that too, and how to deal with onions. It was a learning curve last year. It was the first time we ever did onions last year. So we kind of have it figured out now. So we're gonna do it this year. But you guys ready to get started? Our cucumbers are doing awesome, as you can see. If you notice, the bottoms are kind of like, they look like they're dying, but the tops are not. So we're gonna let them go for a while. I've got a couple cucumbers to pick, so we gotta deal with those. And then Brandon, you can't really see them because they're kind of behind the magnolias, wow. Marigolds, that's it. He planted some new ones, so those are starting to come up and starting to grab on, so we should have a second round coming up pretty soon. But I've got like 2 or 3 to pick, so that's awesome. As you can see, that guy right there is ready to pick. That one not quite big enough, and then little baby ones still, but lots of blossoms, so that's a really good sign. Lots of blossoms. Alright, so as you can see, they're all laying down now, which is basically a sign that it says that they are not taking in any more nutrients. They are ready to be picked. So all you really do, onions, you just pull them. Don't remove anything from them. I'll show you how we're going to deal with it. But we're going to basically, any of them that are soft are going to get pulled. So, all different sizes. Whatever's still attached, leave it. Should have brought 2 buckets out. I'm gonna have to look at my other bucket. Okay, so I will see you guys in a few minutes when I'm downstairs and we're dealing with how to lay these out to dry. See you then. Okay, so we're downstairs, and honestly, onions are like the easiest things in the world to deal with. All you really have to do is you want to take them and just lay them out. Do your best to not have the bulbs touching. All right, so there you go. I'll pull this so you can see them all. There's all the onions. Yes, I realize I have more table space in this, but I'm trying to save some of it for our tomatoes because those are going to be coming on very shortly. This guy right here really wasn't ready to be picked yet, but he was like the only one that wasn't, so I went ahead and picked him. But we have some pretty decent sized onions. I'm kind of excited. Most are about that big. These are bigger than last year, so that's really exciting. We did something better this year than last year. Almost all of ours last year were this size. And we had maybe 2 or 3 that were this size or bigger. But now it looks like about half are like this size or bigger, which is fabulous. So yep, just leave them be. Let them dry out because the enemy of onion is rot. But once you get them dried out, you should have a pretty decent length of time with them. All right, I'll see you guys back outside for the rest of the garden tour. Okay, so now that I've dealt with the onions, let's look at the rest of the garden because I'm really, really excited. Lots of good things are happening. I need to water, so that's gonna happen when it gets a little cooler. I'm gonna start our drip system and just let it go. The carrots are looking phenomenal. This zucchini has come back, which is kind of awesome. It was looking kind of sad. I need to cut more Swiss chard. All of our peppers are doing phenomenal. So that's good to see. Come around here. More pepper action. Lots of awesome peppers. I need to pick the banana peppers, so I gotta do that. This zucchini's kind of on its last leg. Not exactly sure what that's all about. Need to cut some lettuce from there. Oh dear. I gotta do some work on this guy again. This is our insane spaghetti squash that's taking over everything. I guess we do have hanging squashes in places. So yeah, that's kind of needs to be dealt with. Then green beans, I need to pick what's there. Tomatoes are looking amazing. Lots and lots and lots and lots and lots of tomatoes. Not many that are turning yet. So there's a few in this one. Tomato forest is kind of taken over, as you can see. So you have a few to pick. And we are pretty much done with the blackberries for the year. We've got probably maybe a half gallon still to pick, but generally speaking, we are pretty much done. Yeah, so probably next week will be our first round of tomato products. Gotta decide what I'm gonna do first. But yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pick a couple carrots here. We're gonna take these to the bunnies. So this is Bunny Pants. I don't know if you've ever met her. They love carrots. So they get a carrot every couple days. They love the greens mostly. So usually give them the green. So they eat the greens first usually. And then there's Draco. Sorry, Drakes. Didn't mean to smack you. Draco's in there. There he is. There's Bunny Pants. Bunny Pants is a little over 2. No, sorry, she's a little over 4. She's about 4 years old. Isn't she cute? She's my wild cottontail that I rescued. Her mommy got mushed. She was too small to live on her own yet. And then Draco is a little over 2. Let's see. Oh, there's the doggies. Oh, did you bring the Frisbee? Okay. Or don't. Drop. Eh. Gabe, I threw a Frisbee, not a ball. Anyway, that's pretty much a quick garden update for you guys. As always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hopefully we'll have some tomato stuff going on next week. See you soon. Bye.